Describe a festival that is important in your country, when the festival occurs, why it is celebrated, what people do, and explain what you like or dislike about it.
In my country, one of the most significant festivals that people celebrate is Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights. It is an important Hindu festival that is celebrated throughout the country with great joy and enthusiasm. Diwali is celebrated in late October or early November, and the exact date is determined by the Hindu lunar calendar. The festival is marked by the lighting of diyas, or earthen lamps, and the decoration of homes and public places with colorful lights and rangoli, or decorative patterns made with colored powder. During Diwali, people visit their friends and families, exchange gifts, and share traditional foods such as sweets and snacks. It is also a time to offer prayers to Goddess Lakshmi, the Hindu goddess of wealth and prosperity, and seek her blessings for a prosperous year ahead. Diwali is an important festival in my country as it is a time to celebrate the triumph of good over evil. The festival is associated with several mythological stories, the most famous being the story of Lord Rama's return to Ayodhya after defeating the demon king Ravana. It is also a time to strengthen relationships, forgive past grievances, and start anew. In conclusion, Diwali is a festival that brings people together, celebrates the triumph of good over evil, and promotes the values of forgiveness and new beginnings. It is an important part of my culture and a time to cherish the relationships that make life worth living.